In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your personal PayPal account to a business account. First, make sure you're already logged into your PayPal account in your web browser. Starting from the home page, head over to your main PayPal dashboard. This is usually the summary page where you can see your balance, recent transactions, and any notifications. It's always a good idea to quickly check that you're in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're on your dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the settings icon. It usually looks like a little gear. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up your account settings where you can manage things like your personal details, security options, and various account preferences. On the settings page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Take your time here, because this option can be easy to miss if you scroll too quickly. You're looking for a section that mentions unlocking new features, such as express checkout or other tools designed for selling and managing payments. In that section, you should see an option that says something like upgrade to a business account. Click on that button to start the upgrade process. After clicking to upgrade, PayPal will guide you through a series of screens. Click on next to move forward, and you'll be asked to provide some information about your business. This can include details like your business name, the type of products or services you offer, your business type, and contact information. Make sure everything you enter is accurate and matches any official documents you might need to provide later, especially if PayPal asks to verify your business. As you fill out the forms, take a moment to read the descriptions on each page. PayPal sometimes explains why they're asking for certain details, and that can help you avoid mistakes. If you're not sure about a field, it's better to pause and double check than to guess. Once you've completed all the required information and confirmed your details, submit the form. PayPal may upgrade your account instantly, or in some cases, they might review your information first. After that, your personal account will be converted into a business account, and you'll be able to access additional features designed for